Video, I'm going to show you how to set read-only access for both parties in Docusign. This is one of the best ways to make sure everyone involved can view the document without making any accidental edits. Managing permissions properly is essential for keeping your documents secure and maintaining their integrity. So let's get started. Begin by navigating to the Docusign homepage. If you're not familiar with Docusign, it's one of the most trusted platforms for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you reach the homepage, click the login button in the top right corner and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one or contact your organization's Docusign administrator. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign home dashboard. This interface is clean and user-friendly, and it's where you can prepare, send, and manage all your documents. From here, click Start to begin preparing a new document. Next, look for the option labeled Needs to Sign. This setting is typically used when you want recipients to sign the document, but for read-only access, we need to adjust it. After selecting the recipient, open the drop-down beside their name. Now, choose Needs to View. This permission ensures that the recipient can only open and read the document. They won't be able to sign, edit, or make any changes. This is especially helpful when you want someone to review the content, verify the information, or simply stay informed. Without giving them the ability to alter anything, you can repeat the same steps for every recipient involved in the document. By setting the permission to Needs to View for all parties, you're guaranteeing that the document remains fully read-only from start to finish. Before sending, make sure to review the permissions one more time. Verifying these settings helps you avoid mistakes and ensures your document stays secure and unchanged. And that's it. You've successfully set up read-only access for both parties in Docusign. This simple adjustment helps maintain document integrity and prevent accidental edits, making your workflow smoother and more secure.